Hi everybody, this is lesson 13, vocabulary in Seao. It is on page 154 in your book. There's a lot of words here that you don't need to know, so this is a good vocabulary reading to watch. Okay, the first word you do not need, avon, poor or needy. But you do need oave, enemy, and mishkan, tabernacle. And you do also need to know the verb form. So that is shakan, which means to dwell. So notice that, the mishkan, the tabernacle, is the noun form related to this verb shakan. And that's because, you can think of that as that's where Yahweh dwells. He dwells in the tabernacle. So you've heard of maybe the Shekinah glory, and that's from this root here, this shakan verb. So know the verb and the mishkan for tabernacle. Okay, then ani is affliction. You do not need to know the next two words, par or tsafon, but you do need to know kedem, east, antiquity or front, roe, shepherd. And notice that that's a participle, right? That's the masculine singular participle form of ra'ah, which means to tend or to feed or to shepherd. So roe is a one who tends or feeds or shepherds. You do not need to know teman. You do need to know all the verbs. So that is zakar, to remember, yareh, to fear or to be afraid, kaved, we already know this as an adjective, heavy or weighty, but this is the verb form, so kaved is to be or become weighty or important, lakah, to receive or to take, mashah, to anoint. And notice that this is our word, the noun is our word Messiah. So Mashiach, anointed, and that's what we translate as Messiah. So the Mashiach is the anointed one. Azav, to abandon, leave, or forsake. You do not need to know the next word, an, which means where, but you do need to know ko, thus or here, and do not confuse this with koah, which means power. They're similar, but this is a hey here, not a het, so just pay close attention not to confuse those. So ko, meaning thus or here.